Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. So in today's video we're going to learn how to make butter chinchin. So the first ingredient here is flour, egg, milk. I have my baking powder. I also have my margarine, King's margarine. I have my sugar and I have my salt. So let's get into it. So this is one small custard of flour. One small custard of flour. I'm going to keep some aside. So the one I let aside is for me to use and roll out the chinchin later on. So first I'm going to add my margarine here. I don't have an actual measurement, but I have everything offhand. Like looking at the amount of butter I added, I know the quantity I'm supposed to add to this amount of flour. So I'm going to go in with my clean hands and mix it to form a breadcrumb texture. So mix this very well with your hands until you achieve that breadcrumb texture. Look at what I have here. So the next ingredient I'll be adding will be my sugar. So for this quantity of flour, I'll be adding 5 tablespoons of sugar. For this quantity, I use 5 tablespoons of sugar. I don't want it too sugary because my children are going to I'm making this specifically for home use. It's not for sale. So the next ingredient I'll be going in with will be my salt and my baking powder. I'm going to mix it thoroughly till it's properly combined. When it is properly combined, I will go in with my milk. You can add as much milk as you want. This is the quantity I was able to get. So I'm now going with my egg. I will go in with my hands and mix it till it's properly combined before adding my water. You can use 3 eggs if you want. If you're coming across my video for the very first time, guys, please subscribe to my channel. It will help my channel grow. So I'll now add my water. I'm going to add my water bit by bit because chinchin, you don't need your batter to be too soft or too watery. You need a very sturdy, not too hard batter so that when you fry your chinchin, your children will be able to chew it. So I'll be adding the water bit by bit till I achieve the consistency that I want. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. In this channel I post fashion, lifestyle and recipes. If there is something I am missing out on this recipe, kindly drop it in the comment section so that when next I'm making chinchin for my children, I'll add it and then I'll try it out in my next recipe. Thank you. So here I have gotten the consistency that I want. So this consistency is perfect for my chinchin, and I'm going to set it aside to rest for about 2 to 3 minutes before I roll it out. So after it has rested for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to roll it out on my flat surface. Since I'm not into confectionery, I'm using my kitchen tray to roll it out and cut into my desired shape.